Hi everyone, welcome back to a Dinner with Dale. Yo guys, it's been so long. I don't even want to go and look when last I posted a video. But today we have some nice chicken curry. I wish this video wouldn't make it justice, but guys, this is smelling fire. Especially after the long day that I had. You know, it's not the best going back to work after being sick. Because most of the times you are still sick and you have to go sit there. But it's all good. It's all good. I have an awesome situation, so I'm good. Yeah, but why does this feel so cold? I just warmed this up like 2 minutes ago. I'm not feeling like standing up from this position, but yeah, my day started like this. Woke up feeling hella tired because of the medication, and then went to work and just chilled there. You know, it's been a minute actually because yeah, I was on vacation. I worked for about 2 days, went back to work, got sick, chilled at home again. So some of you be like, oh, that's so nice. No, it was not nice. I had pharyngitis or something. My throat was on fire. Not as fire as this chicken curry. I can tell my mom didn't make it as strong. She usually does. Why does this taste so different? I wonder if she did anything different. I should actually ask her. But yeah, my mom doesn't want to be in video, so I'll have to ask in person. I mean, in private. But yeah, yo guys. Yeah, so my day. So obviously now, get to work, chilling, catching up, and after that, I actually took a nap because I had a headache. You know those headaches where like anything can trigger you. It can be the smallest thing, like you are triggered. But anyways, took a nap in my car, woke up feeling fresh, and then yeah, like other than that, nothing ready to report. Like that's the one thing that I was worried about, you know, like becoming a YouTuber, because you always have to have a topic, and topics are very difficult to come by, especially if you're trying to make your day as interesting as it could be. And I think the most interesting that happened today was like meeting some employees from Huawei. They were dope, not gonna lie. They were actually really nice. I think that was the only interesting thing. Oh, except for that one van, that there was a van outside and the door blew open, and I was just like, let's go and see what's going on there. By the time that I got to the bottom, everything was gone. In a sense, being like, whatever happened was not there anymore. So I was kind of a waste. But anyways. Like at this point, I should just be doing TikTok dances to entertain you guys. Because it's very rare that anything interesting happens. So, well, there's quite a lot of things, you know, but I don't want to talk about it. Like, it's not like terrible. It's like, you know, just don't want people to know. But anyways, yeah, but yeah, me enjoying my chicken curry, which I want to go warm up, But I'm actually quite hungry, so. Oh, sure, but. I mean, watching my kitchen again. That's how it all started, guys. Guys, must share this and tag him. Tag my kitchen. My kitchen. So that he can, view this video and know that he was one of the inspirations for this video. For his channel. I'm tearing up after that burp. Jeez. I know what's missing here. I think pepper. Definitely pepper. Peppa Pig. Yeah. Food is almost done, guys. Jeez. Almost done. No, PT. That's what I'm watching. Yeah. Oh, no, I had it all perfect and now it's not perfect anymore. There we go. Yeah. I didn't even know this thing's evil. No, it'd be nice right now. Actually, Ruti would be amazing right now, actually. Yeah, no, I actually have a new idea. I think I should try sour things. See if I can make no reaction like those people eating spicy or sour things, but like no reaction. But like, you're reacting right. Behind the scenes is completely different. There's a bone. To have it all out. Gotta get all that chicken off, man. Can't waste food. Wasting food is a crime. It's a crime. And I no film. I hope you guys like spending some time with me. Dale Solomons. Guys, now it is dinner with Dale. You guys must have a blessed day. Appreciate each and every one of you guys, and please do hit that subscribe button so we can see me in the next video, which I'll be hopefully posting tomorrow. Yeah, now I just want to say I'm truly grateful for this opportunity, because something that I've always liked to do, and I'm doing it right now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.